What's poppin'? I'm Aisha.
I'm Tiana.
And you're watching ENT TV. Today we're gonna do the Popeyes versus Chick-fil-A to see which one's better, I guess.
We got the spicy chicken sandwich bun.
Yeah, my bad. But you know we're there. So we both got our own of the Chick-fil-A one, but then we split this one just because we messed up the order. Don't do that. She's trying to litter out the window.
I made it in the trash.
Okay, let me get it. So, if I can get my out of here. So I've never had Chick-fil-A.
I actually
Have you? I have not.
Chicken nuggets.
I have not had Chick-fil-A. So, this is my first time. And they put tomatoes on here and I'm not eating them. I'm not eating these pickles either.
It's so big.
Yeah, no.
I'll make to make it in the trash too.
Oh no, I'm gonna give it to Princess and show. Whoops.
Late.
You hear her barking at you? So,
Kiss my toe.
I'm gonna go in with the Chick-fil-A one. I got the spicy deluxe with pepper jack. You can see. I think she got the same one.
Yeah, but I don't like. Wait, so.
I don't want to try the sauce. She got, what kind of sauce is that?
Zesty buffalo sauce.
Can you see it?
I was gonna try the Chick-fil-A sauce, but I don't want to.
Zesty buffalo.
I think I might throw up.
I'm not even hungry right now. So, ready? Wait, not ready.
Can't open this.
Let me see. Maybe like bend this part. I'm gonna pull it back.
Well, thanks. Now I feel retarded. My nose, it burned. No, smell it. My nose. No.
I tasted it.
But it burnt this nostril.
It smells like the
McDonald's one. I wonder if they taste good. I'm gonna just try.
watch it be the same, but with just a different packaging. It's nasty.
All I taste is the chicken. It tastes just like it. What does it taste like? Look good.
It's pretty good.
It's just good.
This is low-key already too hot for me though. Piece of chicken fell in there.
My tongue's burning just a little.
I thought I was tripping.
I think it's just from the actual sandwich stuff.
I do not like pickles.
I do.
And this
But
bread,
not on my sandwiches. So.
and this bread tastes straight like pickles. And I feel like people are watching, the kids over there are watching us. But it's okay.
In the light, you can see us.
I got a pole top, right? And I put like everything in here. I put the Mountain Dew slushie, the blue slushie.
Slushy.
I put the watermelon Arizona, the mango Arizona. I put the, I don't know,
The whole store
it was like
in her cup.
It was like 3 different flavors of vitamin water, lemonade, Sprite. And then I got home and I put some of the green tea in here. It's good though. It's because I couldn't decide on what I wanted, so I put everything in
taste
there.
the pickles now. I don't like it on my sandwich. I like it. Popeyes.
So this one's good. I'm gonna try the other one before I get full off of this one, because I get full quick. I tried to open it like that.
What was that?
Watch them hit grandma's window.
Oh, they're playing in the basketball court?
That's your half, this my half. There's pickles on here too.
Aww.
Ooh, and that's sauces. I don't know what sauce this is. I want that. I don't know. Pickles are okay. Like, I recently started eating pickles on my burgers like a week ago. But this is the Popeye one. We halved it. Uneven, kind of.
I didn't have it.
Well, I halved it. It's pretty even, actually. But
2, 3.
That's nice.
I think I like this one better. Wait, hold up.
You got, That's nice.
That's even better.
Damn. Hold on.
Let's try a little piece of this one and a little piece of that.
Alright. Oh no, I did not do that. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go
This one's more crispier than this one. This looks like a commercial burger. The bread's all shiny.
If you compare the bread, looks the same in the light, but it's really not.
I like this one better.
The Popeyes one? So this is this one. And this is
Popeyes.
That's more crispier
Chick-fil-A.
than this one.
This one's more spicier than that one.
My stomach gonna be on one. No, but this smacks.
I like it better with my sauce. I don't think I would have liked the Chick-fil-A sauce.
I don't know what it is though. The only sauces I can use is like ranch. And ranch. Like I got over barbecue because like it started to taste like, I don't know, it started tasting funny. Like ranch. I mean the barbecue.
I use buffalo and ranch.
Buffalo, yeah, buffalo ranch. But for my fries, I'll put the ketchup inside the ranch. She don't like ketchup.
It tastes like nasty.
It tastes like nasty.
I think that's a little bit too much.
You think? My chest hurts. All in all, they're both good. Ooh, nope, not me.
I'm not trying sriracha.
No, not me. That's all they've been, like, I've been cooking recently, and all they've been putting on there is sriracha sauce. And they've been putting, not her, but like, my brother and them. Massive amounts of sriracha. Like, I know things. All in all, they're both good. But the Popeyes one is like,
I think this is the sauce that's on this one. And it's crispier than that one.
they put it like a little, but
I don't know.
that Popeyes one is good. But this one's good too. But if I have to decide,
I'd go for Popeyes. Why does this sound like someone keeps saying my name?
they probably are.
I don't know them people over there. Oh, the light shines and everyone can see.
Are they talking to you?
You're in roll up the window.
They can still see you because this light right here.
They're gonna come knock on the window. It'll be like, no one's in here.
I'm gonna be like, subscribe to our channel. At first, I was not hungry at all, but like,
When you started eating,
but like, it started hitting. The real reason why I wasn't hungry is because I was eating those beef jerkies all day.
I think those extra hot Cheetos in my stomach. It hurt.
I don't know how you be eating them shits. I'm done. They be making my stomach hurt. Takis make my stomach hurt. Even the regular hot Cheetos that I do be eating make my stomach hurt.
I bet I probably done burnt the hole in my stomach. But it's alright.
Ooh.
So you agree with that dude?
I don't know. I don't think they'll put him out of business.
Me either, but it's just better.
But it's... Oh.
This sauce ain't helping me. I'm sorry, you're good, but I gotta let you go.
Oh. I think it's the sauce that they put on it already. Because there was like a bunch of it right here and I just ate it. And my mouth started... Because me and my brother were talking yesterday. And then we seen the... Oh, I gotta sneeze.
Bless you.
We seen a commercial for, was it the Popeyes one? No, we were on Facebook and we seen the Popeyes one. And I was like, I want to try it. And he was like, you gotta try Chick-fil-A too. Because he tried it, but I haven't tried it. So we went and we got both. Like the whole family got like one each. But we went one less, so then we split ours. Because we don't eat that much anyway. But moral of the story is,
Can't do it.
my mouth burns. I think my mouth
It's like right here.
My mouth is just a wimp. I just can't hang with hot stuff.
I mean, I can, but I think the sauce.
She can,
made it
but
worse.
I cannot. But I'm gonna still eat it though. But I have to go cop another one and do. We sound fat. This was snack. My mom was like, you want regular or spicy? Because we had got this one spicy. So I was saying, get this one spicy too. She's like, you already got one spicy. I was like, well, we got to see which one. Which one got the best spiciness. Ooh. And I tried their lemonade today. Chick-fil-A's. Because my mom got it. It was good. But, yeah, my mom got it. But Popeyes had like this cane. What was it? Cane lemonade or something?
It was cane sweet.
Cane sweet lemonade, and let me tell you, no.
Oh, messy. Too sweet.
No, it tastes like you just squeezed a lemon into some cup of water.
It said mango real lemon juice.
But like it had no sweetness to it. Nothing was sour. I don't know if it's because maybe the water melted and it was nasty, or like the sweetness just settled to the bottom or something. But I took a little, yeah. After we mixed it, it was okay. But like that first sip was like, ugh. Had to go get me a bowler box.
I'll holler at you later.
They got hot.
When my stomach's not hurting.
I ate a Slim Jim and then 4 teriyaki beef jerkies today. And that's it.
Go ahead with hot Cheetos. Plus this. I wasn't hungry this morning.
Me either.
Got to school. Wasn't eating their food. You got me messed up.
I'm sorry, school food is disgusting. Like imagine boogers on a biscuit. That's what school food is.
Just look at the cheese on that burger.
I ain't got a weak stomach. I'm gonna eat regardless.
I wish there was more of you, Popeyes. But it's not.
Should have messed up on this order. I got 2 of these and half did this one.
In the arms of an angel,
Far
away. This burger's in my stomach. It's
My
gone
stomach was
today.
burns though. Like in the
Only my mouth is up here burns too.
This is my brother's. I be going and taking all his stuff. Me too, but it's stuck.
Excuse me.
So,
I swear, if somebody said my name one more time. Roll it up.
car's off.
Roll it up.
Alright, well. We tried them.
They can't see me like this.
They were both good.
Popeyes was better.
That one went in. My mouth burns.
I'm trying not to be seen.
So if you had to eat at one of these places again, what would it be? Like if you had to get the same thing, like which one of these would you get again? Popeyes? Did you get the sauce from there again?
Yeah, from Chick-fil-A. Or McDonald's.
Whose buffalo sauce is better, Chick-fil-A or McDonald's?
McDonald's. Theirs is more liquidy.
I noticed that.
McDonald's is more thick.
I was like, when I picked it up to get some of it, it almost
was
spilled.
dripping, but when you get the McDonald's, it just stays.
Yeah, that almost spilled.
I think I'm hungry no more, but I'm about to force feed myself that.
How do you get some ice?
Squashy.
The lighting might be off, but that's because I keep putting my box in front of the light.
Bye!
Wait.
English, please?
Anyways,
I just made some new friends.
my stomach low-key hurts. My lips feel dry. And, woo, I thought I saw somebody right here.
The bug. It's the bug. You don't see the bug. It's the bug.
Well, I'm full. Thanks for watching. And make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. We gonna get in the house for 10 and have a heart attack for these bugs.
Shout out my mucus. Can you know that be my slime? Shout out my mucus. That be my slime. That be my slime. What?